Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the AWS series, in the DevOps series, we are considering AWS, where we are studying, we are learning IAM role. What is IAM role in IAM service in AWS part? So, in DevOps series, I have started AWS series first, like what is AWS and what are the services re- required for DevOps. So basically, we have learned almost all the topics, and this is the last topic in AWS, which is IAM role. So in previous video, I have explained all the theoretical part, and today I'll be showing how we are implementing, how we are using it IAM in the lab part. So this is the lab part completely. So I have already explained these policies and this thing, users, roles. So basically what happens, so we will go to Amazon console login, and we will see this dashboard. In the dashboard itself you can see groups, users, roles, policies, identity provider, and account settings. At last I will tell you what is MFA and how MFA is helpful, and how we will do the lab part. Like, I'll just explain the lab part and you can do it, no problem. So these things, so user creation, what happens now, if you are creating one user, that user need some access, right? For if you are like in this thing, if you are giving some use creating some user in AWS, so they should use, they have to use some AWS service, right? So what happens now, we will make one group, which is I explain in theory part, right? So group we will associate some policies. So there will be some policies. So what you can do while creating user, you can just assign this user to this group. If you have created some group, suppose this is dev team group, so if you associate this user to that group, and all the access, all the policies which are in that group, it will be assigned to that user. Okay. So on one more step you can do is, there are three ways we can assign the policies or assign the service access. uh, Adding user to the group. Suppose subgroup is there already and you are adding that group to this user, and copy policy from existing user, not a group. Okay. So if some user is there, you can just copy, like suppose in dev team there are already people are working, right? So new people joins, then that means we need to give the same policy which the previous dev team have. Suppose this is S3 read write access, that team have and that user have. So I want to give the same access to this new user as well. So what I will do, I will do just copy policy from that user, and I will just assign this to this user. So and also the you can separately you can provide the existing policy, if you want to, I want to give some policy, some rules, service need more needed to this user, or this is the like head or something. So he can we can give the more access, and we can select the existing policy whatever it is, and we can assign to that user. So basically three users. So I'll be showing in the lab part. So let's go to the AWS Management Console. Here we can see, we will search. I'm just logging in and I root user only. So just sign in. So if you will, if you'll give this access, no, just I'll tell you 1 minute. So basically, what we are doing, no, we'll search that service. I have already visited, so that's why it is coming here. I am, but you can search here. I am, here it will come. Okay. If not, you can go to services and since the services you will see where it is security, identity, and compliance. Okay, here if you'll go, you will find many things, but you have to select IAM. Okay, if you'll make it a star, it will come like in favorite part. Okay, so just select this IAM, go to IAM Management Console. So it will be opening. So basically, IAM is also a service, AWS service to manage accounts, to manage all these things. So these thing will be so it will be IAM resources will be shown here. So this is the like dashboard. We should not go search anywhere. Just you can see how many groups are there, and now it is zero. How many users are there? Which role they have? Policies? What it is? What is identity? Like how identity providers are given. So this thing we can check. So if you click here, you can see that user admin, it is default one. Okay, so why it is user before, like users should be first, then only user group will be there, no? But why it is user group is in the first order? Because what happens now, mostly organization there will be group only, people are working as a group, as a team, right? So that's why, to our ease purpose, they are just asking ki just to create some group, then only mostly they will be people will be working as a group or team, right? So that's why. So you can go to user and add user. Just give the username. Suppose I'm giving Fitech, a Fitech solution. Okay. So you this is the user access to AWS Management Console. Yeah. So if you are clicking on this, so just click I want to create an IAM user. Just go for auto generated password, so it will be generated automatically. If you're custom, if you're doing, no, you will have to give the password for that person. So just go for auto generated password and do the next. So here see, this is the permission option I explained you right here. Attach policy directly or copy permissions from the existing group and add a user to group if some group is already created, and you can. So now we don't have group, now we are not having user as well. So we'll go to attach policy directly. So directly here you can search. Suppose S3, if you search, it will come like Amazon S3 full access. You can see Amazon S3 read only access. So if you are giving read only, no, he cannot edit or he cannot upload file and all. So I'll just providing this read access. Okay, and go to next. Only this permission I'm providing for now. And if you want to add, well, like you some tag, you can add it. But no, I'm not adding now. So see, so user created successfully. Return to. Okay, okay, okay. So what here you have to remember, no? This CSV, don't forget to download this CSV file. What is that CSV file regarding? This is regarding your password and user ID. Okay. And this you sign in URL, you can get it here. Okay. This will be there. And if you'll see here, see, there is username. Since we have selected the like auto generated password, they are giving auto generated password. And this console sign in, you have to share this URL to sign in. So basically this is the don't forget to this download, and after this downloading, no, they can change their password. It is not something like it is permanently this password will be there so that I can know. That is not the case. They can just change the password while signing. So return to user list. So you can see here in one user came, but no group. Last activity never. Like you can see the last activity as well. So if you are, if the user is logging in some time, like one day before or now itself, So you can see it will be showing like today he has logged in or something he did. Okay. So like that. So MFA is none, password age is none, activity key age is none. So everything is none here now. So what I will show you, I'll show you how we can log in into this. Just copy this console, go to this and username you can copy it. So yeah, see these thing if you are doing no by using that link, automatically it will be showing as sign as a I'm user. There is no root user. Here it is showing sign in using root user. But if you are searching by this link, it will be coming this name. Username you have to type and the password you have to type. Okay, just to sign in. See, the first time itself it is saying you have to change your password. So old password you have to give and new password you have to select. So this is the old password, right? The new password I am giving. Okay, confirm password change. So it will be password will be changed here. The first step is this one only. Automatically AWS is taking care of all these things. Okay. So yeah, you have to give at the rate or a special character and some numeric also. So that's why it is not taking. So yeah. Authentication was incorrect. Please try again. Old password. We have to select this. New password. I'm giving you just you have to provide that password. That's all. Nothing else here complicated. New password. So I am providing, but the two password do not match. Actually, what happened? Now, this password and this password is not matching. So yeah, the concern is okay. Just leave this. So yeah, it is showing login again. Okay. So sign in here, root user. So go your root user, sign. So we have to give the password properly and then only it will take. Okay. So my concern is here is different. So yeah, see, you can see last activity is 2 minutes ago. Now it will is coming. Password age is 4 minutes ago. Something password we have changed. No, it is showing 4 minutes ago. So basically this is the case. And this we can user group you can create. Okay, user group create group, just go to create group and just type some name, dev team, and attach policies. Dev team having S3 full access, S3 Amazon S3 full access. Okay, okay, sorry. Mm, okay, so basically here we have to select and then we have to give this access. So how many access you can give? That is not fine. Okay. Valid collector request since space is not taking. So dev team like that you can tell create group. So group is created now. Now no user is attached here, right? So we can attach this user. Architect. So you can see all this thing here. Okay. So groups users is 0, permissions is defined, creation time now it will be showing. So roles and all this thing you can just give something as a service framework create role. So these thing is just for the creating roles and all. So no worries in that. So you can see here now user group is 1, users are 2, roles is 5, policies are zeros. So policy also you can create. Okay, so you can create your own policy. This is the what the benefit is. And now I'll tell you the MFA part, how MFA is working. So you try to do it MFA. So what MFA? Go to Play Store and install this Google Authenticator, and then go to IAM Security here in AWS. Then there you will find MFA, and you will generate the QR code. I'll show you how. Okay, so where you have to go? You have to go first. IAM Security. Just type here. IAM Security. Okay, so yeah, or you can type directly MFA here. If you type MFA also, search it and you can get here something. Let's see. Yeah, add MFA to root user. So this add, click here, add MFA. So yeah, uh, now this all this will be default for this. Now assign MFA. So you have to select authenticator app or security key or hardware TOTP token. So this will be generating security key each time. This will be authenticator app. So you have to select this. So device name, just give some name, Samsung something. Okay. Next you do. So QR. This QR will come, and well you will download this from Play Store. If you will download this Google Authenticator, no. So if you will scan that QR code, you will receive some code. Two codes you will receive, 6 digit, and these codes you have to enter here and add MFA you have to do. That is the process. Okay. For each user, if you want to do for some user as well, you can do it. So that's all. Thank you for the day and thanks for watching. Uh, please subscribe the channel and yeah, do share which you has need.